Do you know some tiny, invisible organisms called bacteria can produce pure hydrogen? Chemicals inside the organism absorb energy from the sun, which the organism then uses to split the bonds between hydrogen and oxygen. In a fuel cell, hydrogen is combined with oxygen to form water. When the two elements join together, they release energy in the form of electricity. This energy can be used for power of all kinds of vehicles. No matter how hydrogen is used, it's combined with oxygen to release its energy. And pure water is only waste product. Since water is not a pollutant, it does not harm the environment. This fact, along with abundance of water on Earth, makes hydrogen a great alternative fuel, although a lot of research is needed to make it work well. Battery-powered cars. Scientists are currently working on cars that are powered entirely by rechargeable chemical batteries. If you look under the hood of these cars, you'll find an electric motor under the hood of a gasoline-powered car. Scientists are currently working on cars that are powered entirely by rechargeable chemical batteries. If you look under the hood of one of these cars, you'll find an electric motor under the hood of a gasoline-powered car. You'll find the hoses that carry water to cool an engine and exhaust pipe to carry away waste products. By contrast, there's a massive wires under the hood of an electric car. There's no need to cool the engine and there are no exhaust gases produced and pollute the air. Instead of driving your car up to a gas pump to fill the tank of gasoline, simply plug your battery-powered car into an outlet to recharge your car's battery. Instead of fuel bill, you pay an electric bill. Hybrid cars have electric motors and small gasoline engine. They both provide the kind of power to run the car. Electric motor runs on batteries, but motors have the ability to draw electricity from batteries as well to put electricity back into batteries. This means the batteries do not being plugged into the electrical source for the recharge. Electric motors, when not powering the car, is put energy back to the battery. Math minute. Gasoline costs $2.75 a gallon. Condors hybrid cars are This means battery do not have to be Each week she drives 120 miles. Sarah drives a hybrid car that gets 40 miles per gallon of gasoline. I'll drive 120 miles each week. How much does a Connor spend for gas each week than Sarah does? Do you know alternative fuel vehicles are nothing new? Starting in 1838, the first battery-powered vehicles were being produced alongside steam-powered vehicles, gas-electric hybrids. According to the Paul of 19,000s, electric cars were actually preferred by drivers because they ran more cleanly and safely than their gasoline-powered counterparts. However, technological innovation of gasoline-powered cars, which could be made more cheaply than electric or hybrid counterparts, made these cars the car of choice drivers in the 1920s. Many companies stopped producing alternative fuel cars as gas shortage in the 1970s, brought renewed interest in them. Ethanol-powered cars. Ethanol is an alternative fuel that is gaining popularity in many places around the world. What makes ethanol so popular is the renewable resource. Fuels like coal and oil cannot be renewed. Once they're used up, they're all gone forever. Ethanol can be made from plant and animal materials. Most of ethanol is made from grain crops, but it can also be made from ground up wood or other animal materials. So if we start produce more ethanol, we can just have plant crops like corn and sugarcane. In a matter of months, the crop is grown, can be harvested, and can be used to make ethanol. To make ethanol from biomass means changing the plant matter into sugar. The sugar is then changed to ethanol in a process called fermentation. The diagram below shows the steps of one way to make ethanol from corn. Ethanol production from corn. The corn grain is ground to a fine powder. Powder is mixed with water and wet mash. Chemicals added to the mash until it changes it to sugar. These tiny living organisms are added sugar to cause fermentation. Fermentation changes sugar into ethanol, carbon dioxide gas. Ethanol is removed from the mush. Any remaining water is removed from the ethanol. A small amount of gasoline is added to ethanol and is ready to burn. The leftover mashed grain is used to feed or for livestock. Ethanol production in United States. Pure ethanol can be burned in vehicles or special engines designed to burn it. It can be mixed with gasoline and then burned in a regular engine. When ethanol is mixed with gasoline, it reduces the consumption of fossil fuels and reduces pollution. Otherwise, the combination of ethanol and gasoline is called gasohol. What's in for the future? One thing you have concluded by now is the supply of oil will make gasoline won't last forever. We can take away by current oil supply lasts longer by conserving gasoline. This can be done by driving cars with greatly fuel efficiency, carpooling, and simple driving less. What happened to we conserve it? We'll still have plans for today to make no oil for making gasoline. Scientists are hard at work seeking alternative means for powering our cars, trucks. The popular choice of ethanol, hydrogen, solar energy, and chemical batteries. The alternative that win will likely depend on the economic factors. Two important economic factors will be cost to produce alternative power supplies and eventually cost of alternative fuel to the driver. What do you think of using power on a car you are 70 years old?